car charger. Yeah, but yeah, this definitely got. Let's see what this is. The big EV, doggy. Yeah. Need power. Powerhouse. Call me Win-Win the powerhouse, man. You heard? You see it, man. I bring the power, you heard? All that. Big old spun wheel. That's what I have to do. Big old spun wheel. Now I run the. So I'm looking up a charger and a Gfci outlet. This is Gfci outlet. So right there, the charger going here, and that's for the EV. It's all done. This look good. This should have been down a little more, but I didn't know this was gonna be like that. So replacing the 30 amp right there because it's not being used to the asphalt breaker. If you don't know what you're doing, do not touch this. Do not touch this if you don't know what you're doing. You heard? Holla at me, man. The top-notch electrical contractor I am, man. You see it. This is my home. Not my house, but this is my home. Like my place at work. My electrical panel box. And the attic. Can't leave the attic out of it. Big ground. Whole heap of power, right? Yeah. Then we get it right. Yeah. Come on. 30 to a 50. Get it right. You heard? Charger. So now I'm just gonna pop this out. Popping this out. You just pull it backwards this way. It comes out. A lot of power. So now I'm just gonna screw this out. Right there, and take it off, and you know what it is. Car charger, you heard? 50 amp breaker, Gfci. Ground fault, you know what it is. If you don't know, you won't know. Stop playing with me, Amy. King Ontro. And I just took these out. Water damage. Water damage. See that? Just in case you don't know. It's from right there. It's from right there. Car license electrician, you heard?